Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so guess what I found? I found some possible future spoilers for Ipsy. Now these could be July spoilers, but I guess we'll find out. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button, make sure your bell's on. That way you don't miss out on no videos or spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi. I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the full spoilers for Ipsy June Ultimate Bag. Well, thank you so much. I hope I say this right. Amesia, I'm not sure. Amesia 1026. I probably just butchered that, honey. I'm so sorry. Anyway, she says, hello, thanks for the spoiler. I like the products I am getting, but not the bags. I agree with you there, love. I'm telling you, I just wasn't into these bags. But I really hope that the products that you get just make up for it. And I really appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you so much, honey. And thank you again for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either search bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So again, I found some possible future spoilers for Ipsy, and again it could be for July. Now this I found on Reddit, and somebody received this email trying to get them to reactivate their account, and of course it showed a couple of products. Well, usually whenever they do that, it's coming in the next bag. You know, it kind of says, hey, this could be in your next bag if you reactivate your account. But anyways, I'll go ahead and show them to you. So the first product it showed was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleep Mask. Now, a lot of you know, or if you see me do BoxyCharm spoilers, or if you get BoxyCharm, you know that came in a box for BoxyCharm. But these other two, y'all, I've never seen. So next up is the 111 Skin. This is the is it Theorem? I don't know, repair serum. And you know this 111 Skin stuff is so expensive. Y'all, it actually does clean your house and do your dishes and stuff, so it might be worth it. And last but certainly not least is by Glossier. This is the UD Parfum, or UD Perfume. I don't know how you say that. Parfume. Hell, y'all know I don't know how to pronounce anything, so... But anyways, guys, as soon as I find anything else or they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in a loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much, Patricia Holland. Patricia says, yes, I bought the Kate Wrinkle Cream as well as $22 more. Yeah, Patricia, that tends to happen, honey. Especially, like, when I get around makeup. Like, I kind of spend more than I should. Or, well, hell, what I don't have. But, Patricia, I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want a shout out. And, guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would, double check that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.